Here we go. Let's have a look at our... It just blew it. It just the whole wind turbine across the room. It's just... It doesn't turn the meter that fast. I mean, it's only 50 watts. I'm just going to see the main meter. Main meter is spinning fairly fast, but mind you, that's the whole house, including the fan. But that's the whole house. It's spinning slightly faster than the fan, though. I just realised that I'm probably going to make this video in multiple parts if I do post it to uPanel, because I'm only really allowed 15 minutes, so yeah. Okay, I just put the black on the low wheels running around, but not quite yet. Oh, here it comes, I think. Is that it there? Yeah, that's it. Let's watch that come around. Slowly but surely. There it is. And there it goes. Just like that. Well, that was that. So I hope that was kind of interesting. Yeah, I will have to make this video in multiple parts. See if we can get a year on that ratings plate. I should probably turn it off to stop the meter from creeping. Is it a year? Date code 3309. So that either is telling me, oh, it's obviously double insulated. So that's telling me that it's either get that in the light. That's either no, it's focused now. It's telling me that it's either the 3rd of March, I believe, 2009, or that it's just, yeah, that's what it would have to be. Or it's the 30th of March, or it's, I don't know, nah, I think it would have to be. So if I don't know, could be wrong, I don't know how these date codes work. It could be from 2009. I don't know when this was exactly was manufactured. Like, the date code isn't really clear to me. This was for $10. is the entire like stock of everything. They had to get rid of everything. Obviously, was moving out. There's an ant. Why is there an ant on my tariff meter? Where's it gone? It's just random. But anyways, that's the fan. That's unfortunate news. And the only last thing I can really say is stay safe. Stock up on food. Don't panic buy. Just stock up over a course of stuff. And just I don't know, just prepare for the worst, I guess. I'm not trying to be pessimistic, but like if the worst happens, you want to be prepared for it, right? And we also have been having this bad weather lately, and we've got this, so yeah, it's not fun. So everyone out there, stay safe. Yeah, that meter has slowed down a bit. Not this time, I'm not going to forget this time. And there's a cat. Five, 2, 8, 6, 7. 2869. Hey. Hey, boo. Is this thing old? And if so, I mean, it's been here for a while. How old do you reckon this device is? Look at a very primitive LED. And the camera's running out of battery, so I'm probably going to have to go home now.